Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we will learn to add neon glow effect on shape using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Unlock the layer by clicking the lock icon. Go to the image, adjustments and levels. Set the levels to make background a bit darker. Select the brush tool and set the size of brush. Now select the pen tool and draw a triangular path. Create a new layer. Choose the color according to image. Right click and select stroke path. Choose the option brush and hit OK. Double click on the layer thumbnail. From here select color overlay. Select the color. Then select inner glow and choose white color and size of it. Set the blending mode to linear dodge. Now select outer glow. Choose color. Set blending mode to linear dodge. Set size of it. Now select drop shadow. Choose color. Set blending mode to linear dodge. Set opacity of it and click OK. Again select pen tool and redraw the shape. Set the size of brush. Select the path selection tool. Create new layer. Right click and stroke path. Choose the option brush and hit OK. Set the blending mode of this layer to linear dodge and lower its opacity. Select both layers and group it. Select this layer and select quick selection tool. Select the subject. Click on the group and create a mask. Invert it using Ctrl+I. Set the foreground color to white. Create a new layer. Set brush hardness to 0. Set the blending mode to linear dodge and lower the opacity. We will adjust it later. Brush it on the areas closest to the shape like face, arm and shirt. Select layer 0 and add color balance layer. Adjust it. Add curve layer and adjust the curve. Again go to layer 3 and add some glow on shirt and arm. And here we go! We have created our neon glow effect shape in Adobe Photoshop. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!